Hello children, good day. Greetings from Icon School of Excellence. I am Anupama, your computer teacher. I am here to teach you computer subject for grade 4. I wish all of you are safe and doing good. I hope you are also ready for online classes. Correct? Okay. Before I start, let us start the class with the prayer. Okay. You're all able to see my screen, right? Father God, all please repeat after me. Father God, come be with us today. Fill our hearts with joy. Fill our minds with learning. Fill our classrooms with peace. Fill our lessons with fun. Fill our friendship with kindness. Fill our school with love. Amen. Okay, let us start our today's class. Before starting our class, what we will do is that we will revise the topics what we have learned previously. Okay. Okay, what is a data? Data is defined as the collection of raw facts and figures entered into the computer for processing. The results obtained after processing of data is known as information. It is nothing but the output we got. The working of the computer involves three steps. What are the main three steps? Input, processing and output. This is called as a IPO cycle. I stands for input, P stands for processing and O stands for output. The computer system consists of two major elements. What are those? Hardware and software. Without these elements, complete cannot work efficiently. Okay, the computer hardware refers to the physical components of a computer system that we can touch and feel. It includes all the devices attached externally to the computer, to the CPU box with wires, has the electronic parts inside the CPU box. Okay, it's both. The whichever you can touch and feel, that is called the hardware. The set of computer programs or instructions that are given to the computer for its proper functioning and processing of information is called software. So the software is nothing but when you switch on the computer, what will happen? It will take some time to appear the screen. Okay, by that time, whatever the software is, it will start loading into the system and it will make to you keep it will make the system ready to work. Okay, software can be categorized into two types: system software and application software. Okay, these are the main things which we have learned in the previous class. Okay, let's go through the today's session, which is about MSW logo. Okay, what is the full form of logo? Logo stands for language of graphics oriented. It is the one of the easiest and simplest computer language. Ma'am, you might have asked the questions. Ma'am, we have so many languages. We have Hindi, we have Kannada, we have Marathi, we have so many other languages. Konkani. Why computer languages only we need? Why we need this kind of languages? Correct. But computer cannot understand any one of these languages. Computer can understand its own language. It's nothing but bits and bytes. Okay, ones and zeros. Correct, binary digits 1 and 0. So for that, to make it understand, we need some language tools, right? There are so many other language tools which are present nowadays. In that, among that is MSW logo. Okay, let's see today what is that MSW logo and how we will navigate it. First, how you will navigate it as shown in the picture. First, you need to click on the start button. All programs, in that you need to click on MSW, MS Microsoft Window logo. Okay, then click on that. It will open, the window will appear. You know who designed this MSW logo? It was designed by Seymour Papert and his team in MIT, which is Manchester Institute of Technology and USA. Okay, how the turtle screen will appear? It will be like this. So what are the parts of it? We will go through the parts. Okay, this is called MSW logo screen and this is called commander window. Okay, and we will I will show you the details about this. This is called graphic screen. This is called graphic screen and this is called turtle screen. When you open the first MSW logo window, this is how the turtle is going to be stick. Okay, and now let's see what is the commander window. And this commander window, this is our input box, and this is called the recall list box. Whichever you have entered in the input, it will display here. Okay, and these are all called controlled buttons. We can control, correct? Okay, what are the control buttons? What is the meaning of reset? The command you can type or listed in the recall list box. This is also the place where the results of arithmetic operation you do are displayed. Okay, what is the input box? Input box is just located below the recall list box. This is the place where you type the commands to do the task. So these are all the control buttons. What are the control buttons? One is halt button. What is a halt button? Halt, click this button to immediately to stop the logo. Okay, to carrying out the last commands. What is the trace does? Trace does to find the mistakes you have made while giving the commands. What the pause does? It temporarily stops the logo for carrying out commands. What status means? Status button means it displays the status window that shows the current settings in your login. What is the settings you have done to display it? And execute, to execute all the commands what you have typed in the input box. You can execute the command typed in the input box by pressing the enter key also. You don't need to click on execute button anytime. You just need to press enter, then this is equal to execute. Okay, so now let's go through the MSW logo commands today. Okay, so MSW logo provides several commands. What are those? Are called primitives. You can use these commands to move the turtle on the graphic screen to draw various figures. Okay, there are arithmetic operations also you can do. These are all addition, subtraction, division, and quotient also. Okay, and these are all some basic commands which we will learn today in our class. What are those? FD70 means, FD means what? Forward. Okay, forward command moves the turtle little forward. Okay, I will show you in how it is going to work. If I say FD70, so what it does? The turtle moves ahead, correct? So this is how the turtle is going to behave. Okay. Next is RT. RT does what? RT does RT60. See, it has moved rightward, the direction, correct? It just command turns the turtle towards the right side. It just moved the turtle from previously it was in the straight position. Now it just took a right side 60 degrees angle. Okay, now I want to make it as a left LT60. So what happens LT60? Okay, LT space 60. I forgot. I see it has come to the correct position again. So what Seth does? What Seth does? Seth rotates the position of the turtle. Okay, SETH say 45. This is also similar like LT and RT, but it is only the Seth does. It is only moves the clock direction of the rotates the turtle in clockwise directions. That's it. Okay, by specific angle. Okay, there is clear text CT. Only it is clearing the text, but not the graphic. So how to clean the graphic? CS, clear screen. See, now whatever we have done, it has come to the normal position. And clean, what it will does? It is cleans everything. Okay, clean the drawing in the graphics. Okay, what is HT? Hide the turtle. The turtle will not what happens? The turtle will not show, but you can still draw the pictures. Okay, how you can do? I will show you a small example how to use HT. Okay. Previously like this, I will do first forward, forward, I will do forward 50, I will do, okay. Next, right, 60, I will, what is that? Clear text CT I will press, so it is clearing the text, and CS I will start from here. Okay, FD space 50, it will go up little 50 degree angle. Then what I am telling, I will go make it left 60, so it is going to the left 60. Okay, again I will make it as a forward 50. So it goes here. Now, if I say that hide turtle, what it does, it will not show the turtle. See HT, see the HT, what happened? The turtle has shown, not shown. Okay, now if I want to show the turtle back again, okay, so for that FD50 I will do, and then RT90. Okay, then I will show ST, show the turtle. See, the turtle is over there. Okay, it came back. So like that we can do. Okay, and clear text, it's CS and clear text, which I want to make the turtle again come back. So that is the one. And there is one more command called time. See, time, what it does, it shows the time. Today is June 29th and the time is 4:22, and this one 4:22 and 17 seconds. It is 16. It will show in the 24-hour format and 2020. This is the time. Okay, and by, what happens when I press by? It will close the program. See, it closes the logo program. This is how you need to use the commands. Okay, this is already we have done for drawing a letter N. So let us practice for doing N. Okay, I'll open logo. I have kept in my desktop, so let me open. So we'll practice this for drawing an N. So whatever it says, forward 40. So it goes 40 degrees above, and RT 135. Okay, and so I, in the same place, it just, the angle of the arrow had changed to 135. Again from there forward 60, so it comes down. So it has to first turn the turtle. So you need to turn the turtle to again, see the LT 135. So it goes again, and now you have to do forward again, correct? So it is FD 40. So it goes to the similar position where it is N. And I don't want to show turtle, then HT. Say hide. So there is an N here. Correct? This is how you need to use the commands. Okay. So hope you all understood how to use the commands to for doing that. Okay. Now logo. What is the logo? Logo stands for graphic oriented, is one of the easiest and simplest computer language for children. And there are so many languages. Don't think that this is the only language. This is the only language for children. Not only for this one, there are so many others also which you can use. But it's very easy. These are all how to use the commands, how to do it. This is your introduction to the programs. Okay, the MSW, Microsoft Windows logo, window has two separate windows. As I told you, what are the logo screen and commander window? Correct? You all remember, right? So what is this? This is the logo screen and this is the commander window. Okay. Next, the figures you draw appear in the graphics screen and you can see a small triangle called, what is that called? Turtle. So what they are talking about? See, here I showed the turtle and I want to see the clear screen. See, this is called the turtle. So we can say this is called the turtle. So if you want always what we do, we will move the turtle and we will move the directions by using some commands. Okay, this is how we need to use the turtles. Okay, MSW provides several basic commands called primitives. What are those? Those are all commands are called primitives. You can use these commands to move the turtle on the graphic screen to draw various figures. That is what we did today, right? We have drawn N, correct? That is how we all need to do. Some of the basic commands, you all remember that we in the logo are FD is a forward, BK is the back, RT is the right, and LT is left. Home, it will come to the home screen. Set, what it does, it will just move the turtle in the same place. CT is for clear text and CS is for clean screen, and clean everything, it gets cleaned. And HT means hide turtle, ST is the show turtle, and time, it will show you the time, what is today's time. It will show in the 24-hour format. And by to logo, to switch off the to close the logo window. Okay, these are all the basic commands which we have used today. Okay, and before that I want to also show you how to draw a logo command. Rectangle. Okay, we will see that. How to draw a rectangle. Okay, FD50. See here the commands, you can write it in the smaller cases also or bigger cases as well. Okay, FD50, first I make it in this one. Then what you need to do, you need to move the turtle so that it goes towards the right hand side. So moving the turtle, which is nothing but right command, RT space 90. So we'll go only 90. So it should be 90-degree angle, half of it, correct? 360 is full. So half of that is 90. Okay, then next is FD. We'll move forward little by 100. So what it does, it went till there. And what we'll do, we have to rotate the turtle only the down. Okay, what for rotating down, what you need to do again, RT right 90. So it goes down of it exactly. Now we will move little further, which is nothing but here we have done forward 50, right? From here down we will do the similar thing, forward 50. So it should be a perfect rectangle. Correct, you saw that, right? Okay, next. Now again, same thing what we have repeated here, RT90. So to come back here, RT90, it just rotates into the 90-degree angle. See, and now again FD100, correct? We are using the same process, FD space 100. So it comes exactly. So now here my turtle is displaying, which is really making me to not to show that. So what is that? Hide turtle. See, I can see a perfect rectangle, right? This is how we need to use the commands in MSW logo screen. You all understood now, right? How to do it and how to follow the commands. And degree angle is nothing but which way and which far, how much far you need to go. And this is what you need to tell the turtle to do, so it will go accordingly. Okay, this is a very easy commands. Okay, now these are all the commands which we have learned and which we have done, and another small example as well. Okay, now we will go to the exercise today. Okay, what is the exercise? What is the FD stands for? FD stands for forward. Okay, yes, we have clicked in the correct position. And backward, how is the backward? It says as BK, correct? BK, very good. And clear screen, we have used clear screen and clear text. For clear screen, CS is the clear screen. If I want to clear text, then CT, very good. And right, to move towards, if you have to move rightward, then you have to say RT, right? For left, you have to use LT, correct? And show text, what you have to do, show turtle, then ST, hide turtle, HT, correct? Home, it comes to the home screen, correct? These are all the commands which we need to use for the logo. Okay, to clear the screen, we'll use clear the screen. To bring that a turtle to its home position, what is the command we will use? Same position, to the home position, we'll say home. And to exit the logo command, what is the command? Exit means bye, right? Bye is the command. Is a normal English language. Okay, you don't need to think so much. It is all similar languages. Okay, to rotate the circle in clockwise direction, if you want to move clockwise, then it is right. If you want to move in the anti-clockwise, means the opposite direction, is left. It is like your hand only, right hand and left hand. Okay, to move the turtle in the backward direction, if I want to come back, so what is the backward? Here it is already given, it is BK. Back, that is the command we will use. Okay, you all understood, right? Very good. Okay, thank you one and all. Here we have completed today's class. I hope You all found today's class session very interesting, and I believe you are able to understand all that was discussed and explained. Children, importantly, I want all of you to revise on the topic we covered today and do all the exercises which we have given in the end of the textbook, okay? Without fail. I look forward you to see my next session. Wishing you all a very good health. Stay home, stay safe, wash your hands properly before eating the food. If you went out, come back to the house. When you reach house, wash your hands and legs thoroughly and touch anything. From all of us at Icon School of Excellence. Thank you.